Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your phone is ready. Check one UI version and back up your home layout so nothing is lost. Once done, plug in or keep battery 20% and close heavy apps for smooth changes. Now, open Settings or long press an empty space on the home screen to access home settings. You're doing this to toggle launcher behavior. Make sure you're in the correct home screen pane so the next option appears without delay. Next, navigate to Home Screen Settings and find Home Screen Mode or Layout. This is where Samsung exposes the app drawer toggle. You choose Home only versus Home and Apps to remove the drawer. This hides the Apps button and places icons on pages instead. Tap the option, review the preview, and confirm to apply. This changes launcher behavior system-wide, so app shortcuts stay accessible on home panels rather than in a separate drawer. If widgets move, simply rearrange them now. Finally, organize your apps into folders and pages to replace the drawer workflow. This improves reachability and reduces swipes. If the home-only option isn't available, make sure one UI is up to date, check Samsung's Good Lock modules, or install a supported third-party launcher that disables the drawer. Once you apply changes, restart the phone to fix any lingering UI caching. If icons disappear, restore the backed-up layout or reinstall affected apps to recover them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.